On three, I want you to fire that staple gun, okay? 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. 4 industrial staple guns. I have some staples here. Could I get you to pick one out for me? Can you load the staple gun for me? Put the prongs facing up. Perfect. I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna mix them up so that way neither of us know where the loaded gun is. I want you to reach in and grab one that you feel is empty. On three, I want you to fire that staple gun, okay? 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Completely empty, completely empty. Reach in and grab one more. Reach in and grab one more. Yes, we're good, we're good. On three, fire it, okay? 1, 2, 3.
No! Oh my God.
We got 50-50 chance. One of these is loaded. Pick out the one that you feel is empty. The moment of truth. Let's go. 1, hold it up, hold it up. 1, 2, 3. That leaves us this last staple gun. You can see this photo of me, right? Is that real?
All right.
That's completely real.
Yeah.
That's for you to keep.